Yeah, 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 yeah. So this is what my life looks right now. I don't know if you all can see it. I'm trying to why is it showing in reverse? But yes, um a bit yes. So I who am I? I'm FG. um I want to be I want to use this channel to teach finance the unconventional way. I feel like you only relate more to someone who has done it like um how do I put it in real life, physically, that way you can relate to the person better. So I want to be using this channel to be sharing my tactics, my tricks on how to navigate my life out of this. Um, so this is my journey to wait first. Let me show you guys something. This is where everything is going to be happening from. Yeah, you can see like basically this is where we are going to be generating all the funds from. So see the goods. These goods. And I don't know if you guys try my best. Wait. Okay, so can you see the goat? Can you see the goat? Tyler the fucking creator, bro. Yeah. And you see the other goat, bro. Like I'm what the fuck is happening? I'm coming. I don't know what I'm doing. See the other goat. Yeah, they're just chilling, dog. Just fucking chilling. So, and lastly, this is lastly. So like I'm in my mood. You know, I'm in my fucking mood. So so yeah, basically this is where everything is going to be happening. Yeah, if you find this video, you find a couple of other videos. Yeah. So one thing I know how to navigate myself out of this shit. I know how to make money, but it's just that time and that effort and that patience to like stick to the plan, stick to the game plan is where the difficulty will lie. I don't want to. So one way I want to do this is by running a content agency, content creation agency. Like, so I'm only going to do generate these funds using content, posting content like this. Yeah. So, if you feel like this is what you want to sign up for, welcome to the farm, bro. So I'll be sharing the tactics and strategies that I'm going to use to like attain financial freedom. So obviously not even 100% of you that started watching at the beginning, not all of you made it here. So the same thing applies to who would be using the information and the I'll be sharing in these videos too. Only 1% of you will only use the information. So yeah, this is introduction to FG. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.